Welcome to Sitecore User Group India. Today we have Freddy with us. He is senior backend developer at Ocean and he has 20 years of experience in IT. Over the past 4 years, he has specialized in Sitecore, working on enterprise solutions and on multiple certification. And he has been awarded as an Sitecore Technology MVP for 2 consecutive years. And today's topic is understanding Sitecore stream capabilities. Today, we will explore the Sitecore stream and the AI capabilities across the entire product portfolio. And we will also explore how Sitecore has innovated within each product to empower and simplify marketers' work. If you have any questions during the session, please post it into chat window. We will cover all the questions at the end of the session, and feel free to get in discussions at end of this session. Thank you. Over to you, Freddie.
Okay. Thank you, Kushbo. Thank you, everyone, to being here. And my name is Freddy, and I want to talk about CycleStream capabilities today. Okay, as Kushbo mentioned, I am a senior backend developer at Ocean Incorporated. More than 20 years in this industry. I love this industry. I have been through many roles in over these years, and now I am a backend developer specialized in Sitecore. I have been honored with an MVP twice, the 2 years before this, and I got any some certifications of Sitecore. I live in Quito, the other side of the world, and there you have my social media. If you want to look at my profile or text me in X or see my blog, you have there my the URLs. Okay, what's in the agenda today? I'm going to talk about of Sitecore stream, given a high context. Maybe you know what is Sitecore stream, so I'm going to give a light context and talk about capabilities of Sitecore stream, and then see in the lib demo how the stream is implemented across the products of Sitecore on the cloud products, and we are going to play around this these products and see how stream works in for demo purposes. Okay, if you have a question, please let me know, maybe at the end. Okay, for context, for any of you that don't or doesn't know what CycleStream is, it's a suite of AI capabilities designed to help marketers basically to simplify and accelerate the end-to-end content creation and delivery. Now, nowadays, the content work has been um, has been improved with these AI tools, and CycleStream accelerates on and enhance this marketers' work. Uh, Being present along all cycle products, transforming the marketers' works to to work fast and to be more productive in this digital landscape. In a technical way, CycleStream is built on Azure OpenAI service and uses advantage capabilities of the LLM models to help all size to all kind of work to do. I don't know what happened. You see my screen? Yeah,
Yes, yes, I can see
yeah.
now.
Something happened. Okay, what these AI tools work for? Basically, CycleStreams will help marketers and developers to create content rapidly to work with campaign brief development, to have a high impact content across channels, because you can personalize any content to any channel with CycleStream and with Cycle products, and message personalization with text improvements or text enhancements with these tools. CycleStream bases its capabilities on these three points. Brand aware AI. What is this? It means that uh, CycleStream led companies to work with their brands better. It allows to upload any any knowledge about the brand, and with the AI, it learns about the brand and give all the content with the brand positioning. It means that in any text, any content created, modified, or improved will be aligned with the brand, of or the companies, right? So if my brand is kind of smooth or formal or any of these, Sitecore string knows, and the results that it shows will be aligned with this brand AI. Later, we will see the brand kits and understand this better. Also works with copilots and agents. As you know, if you work with any AI, you can talk or have assistance or any topic. With CycleStream, we can work with this uh, based on our brand and the knowledge that CycleStream has in of our products. For example, we can ask what is my brand, what color is my brand, what's the best fit for this product related to my last campaign, and something like that. So these copilots and agents uh, help marketers to understand better the products, the brand, and give more accurate content to its to their websites or to their customers. Okay, and also CycleStream work with agentic workflows. It means uh, it extends some other tools to give us more enhanced content or be more productive. We will see this on CycleStream when we work with projects, tasks, and so on. It works with with tools to generate tasks, to improve our day, and to give some context for projects inside Sitecore stream. We will see that later. And this is basic what Sitecore streams work, or how Sitecore streams work. My objective in this talk is to present the difference of what we have with a free versus premium tier in Sitecore stream. If you have access to Sitecore portal, you can go to stream app, and you will have this dashboard. But as you can see, it says upgrade to premium, or learn more about premium. Or if you go inside XM Cloud Page Builder, you will see in the content in the fields um, a text or the capability to generate text. But if you have only the free version, it will throw you to ask or to take the upgrade to premium. So basically, with free tier, we can do uh, few things. Now, in this talk, I want to show you the premium tier. As in Oceans, we have that feature, and we can check what we can do with CycleStream with all its capabilities. Okay, we don't have any question now. Okay, let's continue. What we are going to see today through the cloud products demo is this. See the dashboard of CycleStream. We will see tasks, projects, the brand assistants, and the brand kits. We will see Content Hub. We will check the AI assisted visual search, the content generation, the content translation, and the assisted grounded image tagging. Okay. In XM Cloud, we will see how content creation it's present along translation, along A/B testing, personalization, and how to pick a brand intelligence, uh, picking, sorry, redundance, the brand kit. Okay. And finally, in CTP and personalized, we will see the Insights dashboard and a very powerful tool that I have tested, Code Assistant. So I think we can go to there. Okay. Okay. Here we have the portal, Cycle Portal, right? Here we have the Stream app, and it shows us the project assistant and brand kits. So, but we can go to Open Up and see the first or the first point in CycleStream. Okay, here we have embedded all the assistant uh, and the project management. I see this as another project management tool that Cycle wants to introduce and wants to work with. It's very powerful dashboard uh, that CycleStreams gives us is very informative, right? We have here, for example, project status, total task projects, deadline management, risk management. This is all generated by AI based on what our data or our tasks are are managed. Okay. For example, if we have, let's go to projects here. Okay, I have here a demo, and this is all generated by demo purposes. Okay, so we can here create task or let cycle streams suggest as tasks. For example, if I click there, based on what other tasks are, it generates more tasks for me. Let's give it a minute. Or also we can, or cycle streams suggest as deliverables. I don't know what happened with. Okay, let's. Sorry, Sitecore. Sitecore failed right now. No, it's not happening. Okay, let's try again. Okay, maybe the time. It's also midnight. Okay, let's try another. Yeah, I think it works. Okay. Let's see if project work again or it is failing. Okay, it's there again. Let's check it again and let's ask suggested tasks. Okay, there it is. Sorry, Sitecore has a little outage, but it's okay now. Okay, let's see. For example, we have here this task: identify target audience segments for demo, draft key message point, schedule coordinate demo sessions, create checklists, and so on. And if you, as a project manager, see this task that makes sense, you can save it or just ignore them. Okay, let's save it this, and we can pick another date and give it the priority, etc. But the thing here is that we have generated tasks that helps us when we maybe we want to be more productive or be more detailed in what we have to do in our project. This is a demo project, but in a real project, based on all the tasks that we generated before or the planifications, Sitecore streams helps us generate tasks and be more productive. The same thing with the deliverables. So suggest and let's wait a little if it's working yet. Okay, let's wait for this thing. Okay, let's close it. And yeah, here we have the suggested deliverables. As you can see, this is not what a normal AI can do in our project management tools, but here we have and embedded these tools, and these are very powerful. We can refine or regenerate and add into our planifications. This is related to projects and tasks. So this is agentic workflows um, implementation here, and we can see all of these features that we can work with Sitecore Stream in this point. For me, I see this is a very powerful tool that we can have advantage, because in one tool we can um, work with it and avoid to go into another tools, and we just have in one place all concentrated. Okay, yeah. Let's go to an important thing, that is the brand kits. We can here create brand kits that will let or we mm, give Stream information about our brand, and it starts to learning and suggesting and working in favor of us. So okay, we can create brand kit, given a name. Let's see, a name, and create. After we create a brand, we can upload a lot of documents with the brand voice, with the brand themes, the brand colors, etc. So right now, if you send me right now a document, I can upload it. But for demo purposes, I have this brand kit created. As you will see, I created a demo brand voice, a demo guidelines, and a style guide. Let's see, it's a PDF, so it has the capability to read the PDF and extract the content, the do's and don'ts, the words that we used in, at Ocean, the brand guidelines. For example, Oceans moves the company outlines several objectives, etc. So this is our goal, the brand context, the tone of voice, and Stream read this and extract. And also, if I have a style guide, the design the design template, so it uploads, and after when it uploads, it create these sections called sections brand context, and we have here what uploaded, and we can enrich it with AI or modify with AI. Okay, we can we can set it if it's editable or non-editable with AI, and this is the base of our brand, and all the content, all the content that we will generate in the future will be based on this, and Sitecore stream um, will be enhanced with this information in all the prompts. Internally, Stream generates the prompts based on this information. As you can see, uh, our brand is very detailed, defined, and we can assure that the content will be aligned with these concepts or these guidelines that we have as a brand. And so, if uh, if you have any document that you want to upload to a stream to show or to give the knowledge of your brand, it it receives it, and it learns with these documents. Okay, this is very important because it's our base for the content generation, as I mentioned. Okay, what else do we have here? Our assistant here, it's like another AI or artificial intelligence, right? We can ask here. Let's take one of these examples. Okay, can you describe to me our brand of voice? Me as an employee of Ocean, I am new. Let's say that I'm a new at Ocean. I want to know what's the tone of voice because I don't know, but PsychoStream gives me this information. So as you can see, it's very detailed, and this is part of the premium tier. Remember that we don't have this in the free tier or a free version. This is only um, it only works with the premium version. So here it told me what's my tone of voice. It says it's professional, it's approachable, it's authentic, and we can continue talking with it. How can brand voice effectively communicated with digital marketing strategies? And this for marketers is a blast. Okay, it saves a lot of time because it lets marketers understand the brand and work with the content better. Even if I don't generate the content here in Stream, I have an idea of how to work with my brand, and it is very, 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 very good. So this is assistance, and you can ask here what is sorry, what is my primary color? Oh, sorry. So see, it is. It shows me my guidelines, a style guide, and I can work with it. So in this part, we have all about Sitecore Stream app. Well, okay, here in admin, we can create keys for integration with the other products. But basically, this is the core of Sitecore Stream, and this will be used in the other products such as XM Cloud or CTP or Personalize and Content Hub. Okay, so let's continue with XM Cloud. Let's see, here we have my Ocean DXP and open up. Okay, here, this first dashboard also uses AI with Sitecore Stream, and it gives me some information about my site. For example, what we have here, localization. It says that all pages have a language version in English. I have another versions, but I have 0% of this language content. So it also helps me to understand how it's the my site at in one site and take take actions of this. Okay, let's go to the page builder. Here, as for those that have worked before with Cloud, you can drag and drop any component that you want and create content, right? And I created a plugin demo page and with the title and content. And here, where is CycleStream here? If we check, if we select a component, we can see here the optimized content here or here. If we check this, we have this prompt, and we can here tell CycleStream to generate content. Let's say create another another event title for Sitecore user group based on the, well, that's it. Okay. Okay, and it creates this title. And if you are okay with this, you can keep optimize it, or you can start playing with it to improve writing, for example, or make it shorter, or make it longer, or summarize, or change tone. Let's say when we want to change tone, we have these five options. Let's put it more casual. Light up the valley with ocean, dive in hours again, event. Okay, I like it, so I keep optimize it, and it saves it here. And also we can create uh, text here. Let's say create two paragraphs. Okay, it creates but without separation, but we have a long paragraph to keep optimized, and we can start uh, playing with it. I like it, make it longer, for example. It's not zooming here. It's keep optimized. Okay, it's not suf, it's subbing. Sorry, I think I. As you can see, you can generate content and it is based on the brand kit that we saw before. Also, you can create here A/B testing for this. Let's say for the page. For example, the title, we can test this component. Okay. But it would create another variant of this page called B, and we can copy the original component or swap it or hide it, right? And when you have this variant, you can also start creating or optimizing the content with Sitecore Stream. Okay, and you can start the test. So for editors, this is a huge improvement because with real data, with a lot of data, we can start working and save a lot of time editing or creating content in Sitecore Cloud. When, for example, when you create tests as I did before, you cannot you can create content. If you create personalizations, you can optimize content, and also you can uh, choose another. If you have many brands, you can choose other brand to this site and take the content based on that brand. Okay, this is about XM Cloud. Now let's go to, let's say, Content Hub. Sorry, I have these tools. Content Hub. Here we have Content Hub. Okay. In this case, for demo purposes, I have this Content Hub sandbox. It is not connected with my Sitecore stream right now because it's a sandbox. And if you have Content Hub licensed with Sitecore stream, it will also have the brand kit in the background and all the content or uh, all the things that we can do with Content Hub will be based on the brand kit. One thing I didn't mention, sorry, in XM Cloud is the translation. For example, this I see this translation. No, I don't have here the translation because I don't have languages here. Let's see another. If I can translate this, translate here. I can translate it to Spanish or French. I don't know why this can be translated. Okay, so very easy to translate lots of content just with one click. Okay, let's go to Content Hub. Sorry. Okay, in Content Hub, if we go to the manage page, we can see the AI features page. Here we have these three capabilities of of AI in Content Hub. The content generation with brand voice, but we can integrate this with Sitecore Stream in a licensed version. This is the sandbox. Image tagging and the AI search. This is very powerful because if you have a lot of assets, you can search based on AI and not only with the static information of the assets. So let's see. For example, content generation. If we go to content uh, menu and let's say I have this social media, this idea. Okay, so here we have some fields with data, and as the same in the XM Cloud, we can here we can click it here, generate with AI, and we can tell tell the AI what we want to do. So um, give me a story about uh, orange juice in India summer time. Okay, if I generate this, okay, it gives me this content, and I can insert this in this body field, as simple as this. Okay, and then you as a marketer or a content editor, you will check this, and if you are okay, you keep it. If you don't want it, you can rewrite with this. Okay, and here, for example, in the footer, we can. Okay, so I easily created a content for just for a juice in India and orange juice in India. I can translate it this, creating another variant here. For example, if I create localize, so let's say French for another language, and pick the language we want, French, and save. We turn this on, we translate with AI, and I will create it. And let's see, this is the original version, and when it creates it, it will say this is a variation or a variant. And we have here the content translated. It translates all the content in one step. Okay, so all the content that we have when that we can create here in Content Hub, we can translate or create variations, and this this icon shows me that this content was created with the help of AI. Very helpful, very interesting, right? This is about content creation in Content Hub. What about the other The other feature here was AI image tagging. Let's say, let's pick this image. Um, Without AI, the people who uploads this create these tags, okay? But I have here the option with tag with AI, and it will read the image and create another tags. Let's try it. It's it takes a while, so let's be patient. Patience, patience. Okay, so these are the current tags, and this is the suggested by AI. You can check it and add one by one or add all if you want. They are different, and I will add all and save and close. With this simple step, I can tag and the image, and you can see we have 9 more, and we have all the tags that we have with the search, the normal search. So this is image tagging, very helpful. And the last feature here in Content Hub is the AI search capability in the assets page. In the asset space, you will see search, but if you check here, you will see the visual search that is uh, supported by AI. So, for example, describe what you're looking for. Uh, tree, let's say trees with fruits. It finds trees with fruits. It's more accurate than that if I search here the same. Look, I have no results here because there is no tagging or name with these trees with fruits, but with AI, the visual search is very powerful. It goes into the image with AI and gives me this information. When you have millions, maybe millions of assets, this capability of this feature is very, very helpful. Another example, let's say um, girls, girl with glasses, maybe. Yeah, here we have girls with glass, and it's the first approach. So it's the search work or colors, uh, images with purple. So it takes different kind of images with the purple color. So we have this um, a very powerful tool supported by AI and Content Hub. What else we have in Content Hub? Translation, generation of content, visual search, and image tagging. Uh, Maybe in the future or next week we have the Sitecore Symposium. I will ask Sitecore people when or where in the roadmap it is image creating or generating image generating. It will be very helpful to create here images, not only tag it or search it, but create it. Okay, we have seen XM Cloud, Content Hub. Now let's see personalize. Here we have, let's go to personalize. We have a few minutes yet, so let's start finishing this. Personalize, sorry, here. Basically, in personalize, we have the code assistant in any component that we can write code. For example, we have in session traits, conditions, or in decision models. Example, I create a simple model here and a version for sub in demo. Uh, Okay. Yeah, here in this programmable node, we can edit and at the first creation we have no code, and you can create functions with JavaScript to do what you want. And let's let's check this. Here we have the code assistant, and you can tell it what you want. Let's say, for example, last session channel, or these prompts that I have here. Okay, when you give the prompt, you have the code, and you can replace it or insert. In my case, I create this prompt, retrieve the time of the last event, the current session, and I have this I have this code. Okay, and with that simple step, you can insert code when you don't know exactly the structure or the schema of the sessions and the information in personalized, and you can you can test it here, and you can see, for example, it is the last the, what do we have here? The created the the created field. Sorry, returns the last event created at. So if I test it, I have here the time based on what I navigate here in ocean site. So if I navigate here and I go where was it? Decision model. Ah. Here. Okay. Test. I tested. I have the information that I want, and you can give it uh, more prompts to create code, and this is very powerful. Let's give another. Give me the last page visited. So here we have the current session, last page URI, and it returns it. And you can copy or replace it. And in personalize in any component that you have the programmable component, you can use it. Let's say here in conditions. Conditions, a demo condition, you can edit, and with the code assistant, do what you want. Let's say here, uh, comment how to understand. Let's check it. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, it is taking too long, but basically it is what it what how it works. And finally, to this session, I want to show you the CDP dashboard, the Gen sites, and also code assistant. As I mentioned before, in any option that you are able to write code, JavaScript code, you can use the code assistant. And in CDP, we have this Gen sites dashboard. So let's open it, and it reads all the information about my site and creates valuable insights. Here, it says the data shows that 100% traffic consists on visitors only, no customers. Okay, and it suggests me some things. It's not effectively converting visitors to customers, so the marketing team needs to work on how to convert visitors to customers and so on. Uh, it says me that 100% the sessions are browsed and session types, all is browsed. Average time outside 8 seconds. The bounce rate is high. The session duration and the recommendations. These recommendations are quite high level, but it is generated by AI based on the information that I have in my site. So this dashboard for people that want in one site what's happening to my website. This is very very useful, and I think I'm on time. And this is what I wanted to show you guys. I hope this will help, and this will be used in the future by you. And if you have any questions or any doubts, you can ask me or contact me in my social media and LinkedIn and X and in Slack and so on. Thank you guys.
As of now, there is no question in chat window. Anyone wants to discuss anything? No. Yeah. I think we are good. Ready.
Okay.
Thank you for your time. Thank you for taking this session.
Thank you for you, Kushbo. It's my pleasure to be here in this so it's a very very honored. It's I am very honored to be here.
Thank you. Thank you all
S-
for joining.
Okay,
Have
and
a good day.
hope to see you in symposium next week and talk about this and any other topics.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, guys.